Our next topic or the last topic of this model 3 is application of the root stability criteria to linear feedback system. Okay, here we have to calculate the value of k in order to identify the system to be stable. Okay, in that we will study some of the problems. Okay, first one, determine the range of value of k for the system to be stable. Okay, we have to calculate the value of k so that the system has to be stable. What is the condition for stability? The first column of the root table should be a positive value, okay. Root table is given by, we have to start from s raised to 3, s raised to 2, s raised to 1, s raised to 0 and s raised to 0. Okay, first in the first row we have to take odd number. Okay, first, third and fifth. Okay, that is 1 and that is next is k plus 2, first and third place. Next to that one, second and fourth place, that is 3k. Whatever the components are there before s values, we have to take that one. 3k, whole 3k we have to take. After that 4 is there. Okay, then how to calculate s raised to 1? That is 3k into k plus 2 minus 4 into 1. That is 3k into k plus 2 minus 4 divided by 3k. And for this one, nothing is there, means 0. Okay, and for this one into this divided by this means this, and what is that? 3k into k plus 2 minus 4 into 4 divided by 3k into k plus 2 minus 4 is there. Okay, 3k plus this one into this divide minus 3k into 0, here nothing is there, means 0. 3k into 4 minus 0 divided by this term 3k, and this becomes cancels. So what will remains? 4 will remains. Okay, for the system to be stable, what we have to see, the first column of the root array should be a positive value. The first column of the root array should be a positive value. Positive value means the value of k should be greater than 0. It should be the first column, the system to be stable, the first column of the root array should be positive. That is, k should be greater than 0. So that is, this value should be greater than 0. Okay, that is this, the term should be greater than 0. That is 3k should be greater than 0. That is, therefore k should be greater than 0. Okay, means the first column of the element should be greater than 0 or positive. Okay, so that 3k should be wherever k will become no, we have to take that one. 3k should be greater than 0 means k is greater than 0. Okay, see next one, from s raised to 1 row, from what is that, from s raised to 2 row. This is from s raised to 2, 3k is greater than 0. That is, k is greater than 0. From s raised to 1 row, what is s raised to 1 row is 3k into k minus k plus 2 minus 4 divided by 3k. From s raised to 3k, that should be greater than 0. Okay, 3k square multiply plus 6k minus 4 should be greater than, take this side, that is this 3k square plus 6k minus 4 should be greater than 0. Okay, in order to calculate the value of k, we have to use the complex rules. Okay, how to calculate complex rules? K should be greater than minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Okay. Minus b is minus 6 plus or minus square root of b square is 36 minus 4ac is 3c is minus 4 divided by 2a. It is a 3. Okay. After simplifying, k should be greater than, after simplifying this one, by taking plus sign we will got minus 2.52, or by considering this one we will get 12. By using plus sign we will have minus 2.52. By using minus sign we will have 0.526. Okay. By always should be, k should be all, what is that? By considering both of the values we should take k should be greater than 0.526. Okay. By seeing both of the, we have to take k is greater than 0.526. Okay. Hence what is that? K should be greater than 0.56. Okay. This is the value for k, the range of k. We have to write the range of k. The range of k is in, k should be in between, it should be greater than 0.526, and it has to be less than infinity. It has to be less than infinity, and it should be greater than 0.526. Then only the first terms in the first column should all are positive. All are positive means the system is stable. Okay. This is the type how to solve the value of k. Okay. Thank you.